Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator for two-factor authentication. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, make sure that you have downloaded the Google Authenticator. So once you have it downloaded, you're going to want to open up the application where you wanted to add 2FA. Let's say, for example, I have here Binance. Okay, I'm just going to open up Binance real quick. And what we're going to do is just go ahead over to its settings, okay, until we find the security tab and then the authenticator app section. So what we're going to do is just basically add in a authenticator, and then once done, as you can see here, it will give us a key or a 16-digit key at a QR code. So what we're going to do, if you want to, you can go ahead and copy it or scan the QR code, okay? And then after that, go ahead and find Google Authenticator. Okay, you won't be able to see my Google Authenticator right here, but basically at the bottom right, you'll have the plus sign. So what you got to do is just tap on the plus sign and just tap on enter setup key or scan QR code. Now your key, there'll be a your key section. Tap and hold and just paste the key. The code name, add in the name, okay? It could be Binance, as we have used Binance, okay? And then just tap on add. And after that, you'll be given a key at the very bottom of the list. And what you're going to do is just tap on it. Now go back to Binance or the app that you would need to add into 2FA and just paste the code that was given to your or from your Google Authenticator and just tap on submit. And once done, you're good to go. That is how simple it is to set up your Google Authenticator for 2FA. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.